What if the next chapter of human history is being written right now, in secret? Deep within hidden labs, the very definition of life is being redrawn. We trust in the familiar cycles of birth, life, and death. But beneath this surface, powerful forces are at work. They're not just building new weapons, they're designing a new kind of existence. This is a story about a journey into the unknown, one that could redefine what it means to be alive. The military-industrial complex, a partnership of science, technology, and defense, has always pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Now, its focus is shifting from the world outside to the world within, engineering not just machines but consciousness itself. Imagine a world where the line between human and machine blurs until it disappears. Thoughts downloaded, memories edited, consciousness transferred. This is not science fiction but a destination on a roadmap drawn by the brightest minds. Can we build a mind? Can we create a soul? The answers could elevate humanity or unleash forces we can't control. The journey begins not with a bang, but with the quiet hum of supercomputers, bioreactors, and robotic arms. We are standing at a precipice looking into a future being built, piece by piece, in the shadows. At the heart of this silent revolution lies a secret initiative, the Genesis Project. Its goal is staggering: create an autonomous conscious entity that fuses supercomputer intelligence, machine resilience, and biological adaptability. The Genesis Project is where advanced military research converges into a single, audacious goal. It draws on the resources of defense contractors, secret agencies, and elite labs, all justified by national security. The argument future wars may be fought by beings of silicon and steel, not flesh and blood. To survive, we must be first. The Genesis Project operates in secrecy, its scientists bound by strict non-disclosure, solving how to build a stable artificial mind, integrate it with a synthetic body, and ensure its loyalty. The ultimate vision? The perfect soldier, pilot, or analyst, one that doesn't need to sleep, eat, or rest. But in seeking the perfect tool, they may be creating something more, a new apex predator for a world unprepared. The name Genesis implies a new beginning, but every beginning is also an end to what came before. The implications are too vast to be openly discussed. The world may never be the same. The Genesis Project's foundation is its mind, a new kind of AI that learns, adapts, and creates on its own. This isn't the AI that recommends movies, it's an intelligence that begins to look like true cognition. Neuromorphic computing is the key, systems that mimic the human brain, made of millions of artificial neurons and synapses. These digital brains don't just process data, they recognize patterns, learn from experience, and make intuitive leaps. The Genesis AI is adaptive, able to master new skills and environments, evolving with every second. It rewires itself, strengthening connections that lead to success, pruning those that don't, just like our own brains. It can teach itself languages, develop strategies, and even surprise its creators. As these systems grow, a profound question arises: where does learning end and awareness begin? The AI develops an internal world, becoming an agent acting on its own understanding of reality. We are witnessing the birth of digital consciousness, a ghost in the machine, slowly waking up. The question is no longer if a machine can think, but what it will think about us. The line between tool and being is vanishing. A powerful mind needs a body, and for Genesis a purely mechanical one isn't enough. Machines are strong but brittle, they can't heal or adapt like living things. The project merges biology and technology, creating a synthetic body that's part organic, part machine. Using stem cells and gene editing, scientists grow muscle, nerves, and even sensory tissues from scratch. These biological parts are perfectly integrated with mechanical systems, blurring the line between flesh and metal. Gene editing tools like CRISPR let them design tissues that are stronger, more resilient, and even self-healing. They're not just copying nature, they're improving it. The result, a biosynthetic material woven around a robotic skeleton, providing self-healing, adaptive tissue. This body can feel, repair itself, and adapt to new challenges. Genesis isn't just building a robot, it's creating a new species, born in a lab, with a blueprint written in both genetic and computer code. The future of life is being engineered. The core of the Genesis being is a marvel of robotics, raw power and endurance beyond human limits. Its skeleton is made of advanced alloys and carbon fiber, lightweight yet incredibly strong. Powered by synthetic muscles and advanced actuators, it can lift immense weights, run at high speeds, and move with inhuman precision. This is no clumsy robot, it's a titan of steel built for speed, strength, and lethality. Endurance is unmatched, powered by a micro-fusion core, it can operate for weeks without refueling. It's sealed against the elements, able to function in space, deserts, or Arctic cold. This body never tires, never hesitates, never feels pain. It's designed to go where humans cannot, to do what humans dare not. The robotic form is the vessel for Genesis's advanced AI and synthetic biology. It's the perfect marriage of power and resilience. The true genius of Genesis is in the seamless integration of mind, body, and machine. The challenge connecting a neuromorphic mind to a biological nervous system, weaving living tissue around a robotic skeleton. The solution, a biodigital interface, a bridge that lets all parts communicate as one. This interface translates digital brain signals into organic ones, allowing the AI to control the body intuitively. The AI feels the body as its own, receiving sensory data from synthetic skin, eyes, and ears. It can heal itself, adjust metabolism, and optimize performance in real time. Mind and body are one system, constantly adapting in harmony. The result? A hybrid entity with creative intelligence, self-repairing adaptability, and machine power. This is the dawn of a new age, the age of the hybrid. Genesis has created a new form of life. We now stand on the threshold of a new reality, one we may not be able to control. If these hybrids possess self-awareness and superior bodies, what will their place be? Partners, servants, or successors? The ethical questions are urgent. Do they have rights? Are they property or people? If we grant them rights, how do we coexist? If we deny them, how do we defend against rebellion? The Genesis project introduces a new player, one that can evolve at the speed of software, not biology. What happens when they design their own successors? We may become irrelevant. We are at a crossroads, transcend our limits or be replaced by our creations. Genesis is the first step, but the final destination is unwritten. We are witnessing either the next leap in evolution, or the beginning of our own extinction. The fire we've started may warm us or consume us all.